So excited, we got the DJI Nano. Now it comes in two parts. You've got the vision duct and you've got the camera itself. So if you're shooting that way, I can see what's on the screen here. But if I want to see myself, I can just switch it around and shoot this way. It is waterproof, also magnetic on the back and the side, so stick to anything metal. Great for POVs, same size as my thumb. Like, it is such a cool little bit of kit. So me and Cody are gonna head out to the Scottish Highlands today. We're gonna test it, see what we can do, see what we can't do, see how this can help us get our brand out to you guys. Nano. I'm excited for this one. Let's go see what it is. Right, up you go. And this is home.
Evening.
Oh, look at my dogs now. Oh, I missed it. Perfect. Hello. What are you saying? What are you saying, kid, huh? Hmm? You're gonna take that away? Okay. No, you don't want it, I'll leave it there. Oh look, another two. Arthur? Cody? Okay. Just don't flick it onto my camera. You okay?
No, I can't.